Here's a vehicle you don't see on the used market very often, and it's for sale here at Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. This is Jeff, and today I'd like to show you this absolutely beautiful 2023 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium. Loaded with it all, super nice vehicle. Around back, dual exhaust outlets, lots of cargo room, optional cargo mat, USB ports even in the cargo area. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 19-inch alloy wheels with a great set of tires. More than enough room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the comfort and convenience of rear heating and air vents and dual USB charging ports. It's midnight black metallic with two-tone gray and ash leather interior. Factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps with LED turn signals. LED daytime running lights, projector beam LED headlights, fog lights, forward collision sensor in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Power moonroof. Those two-tone leather bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning located in your outside mirrors. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights. Power tailgate release, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, trip computer functions, audio controls, Bluetooth, and intelligent radar cruise. Only 30,000, well cared for, 1 owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, dual zone climate control, 12-volt outlet, a USB port, console shifter, keyless entry key fob, including power lift gate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those moonroof controls located in the overhead console. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Toyota RAV4 XLE Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.